Bumble Nums. Today, the Bumble Nums are going to make marching mashed potatoes. But what's the secret ingredient? 10 marching potatoes. It's a beautiful day, and the Bumble Nums can't wait to make one of their favorite meals, marching mashed potatoes. Isn't that right, Grumble? Yum! What do you think, Humble?
Yum!
And you, Stumble?
Yum, 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 yum.
Looks like you're digging for marching potatoes. Are you close to finding them, Bumble Nums?
Yum!
Yum, yum, yum!
Great! Now remember, Bumble Nums, we need 10 marching potatoes to make our marching mashed potatoes. Let's go!
Yum, yum!
Yum! Yum!
Oh no! The potatoes are stuck! Well, you've got to get them moving.
Yum, yum?
Well, they are marching potatoes. Why don't you try to get them marching? March one by one, like a parade.
Yum! 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 Yum!
Come on, Bumble Nums! You can do it!
Yum, yum!
Yum! Yum! Yum! Yum! Yum! Yum! Yum!
Keep marching, Bumble Nums! Marching potatoes love a parade!
Yum! 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 Yum!
1, 2, 3. Keep those knees up high. 4, 5. You're halfway there, Bumble Nums. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10! You did it! You got all the marching potatoes you need for marching mashed potatoes. Now let's march them back to the Bumble Nums kitchen.
Yum!
Yum! Yum, yum, yum! 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 Yum!
A first-rate parade, Bumble Nums. Do you have the 10 marching potatoes?
Yum!
Perfect! Now that we have the secret ingredient to make our marching mashed potatoes, it's time for the cooking countdown! 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1! Bumble Nums, you've done it again! Take a bite of your marching mashed potatoes. How does it taste, Bumble Nums?
Yum!